Hey guys, so now that you're done with your bell work, we're going to finish up our notes from yesterday. So open up to page 33, find the foldable from yesterday. We need to do examples 3, 3A, and 3B real fast. So let's get rocking and rolling. Take a look at example 3 on the front flap. This is one of those special case situations. So I'm going to put a big red star right here and say, we have x plus 15 all being divided by 4. So we have to undo this division first. Inverse of division is to times by 4 on both sides. I'm multiplying by positive 4, so there is no special golden rule happening here. These 4's are going to cancel. I'm going to bring down x plus 15. Bring down my greater than symbol. There's no flipping of the symbol because we did not multiply by a negative. 3 times positive 4 gives me positive 12. Now I've got a simpler one step to solve. I'm going to subtract 15 on both sides. This cancels, bring down my x, bring down my greater than, and 12 minus 15 is negative 3. So my solution is all the numbers that are greater to the right of negative 3. So I could plug in like 0. All right, we're going to now take a look at example 2. So open up the flap. Example 3A on the inside. What are we going to do first? That's right, we're going to undo this dividing by 2 and times by 2, times by 2. I'm multiplying by positive 2, so those cancels. And I bring down my x plus 15, bring down my greater than, I get a positive 18. Now I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. Positive 15 and negative 15 cancel. So I have x is greater than 3. No flipping of the symbol because I did not multiply or divide by a negative. So my solution is all the numbers that are to the right of positive 3. So what could I plug in and check? Something like 6, 5, 10, 20. All those would work. Let's take a look at part B. So now I'm going to undo this division of negative 5. So I'm going to times by negative 5 on both sides. Doop! I'm multiplying by a negative. So I'm going to change from less than to what? Greater than. All right, so I'm going to highlight that to make sure I realize I did the golden rule because we multiplied and divided by a negative 5 on both sides. The negative 5 and multiplying and dividing cancels here, so I bring down my x plus 4. And then negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I get x is greater than 6. So now my solution set is all the numbers to the right of 6. Open dot, so 6 doesn't work, but any number such as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. If I tried and said, let's try it out, x equals 11. Isn't 11 greater than 6? Yeah. So let's plug in 11 plus 4 over negative 5, and we should get something less than negative 2. Right? That was our original equation, or inequality. X plus 4 divided by negative 5 is less than negative 2. Okay? So, 11 plus 4 is 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. Is negative 3 less than negative 2? Yes, it works. So that is part of the solution. All right, so this should all be done. You are now going to do an activity to figure out who kidnapped Mrs. Rester. Dun, dun, dun. There are orange cards around the room that have the problem that you will solve on paper and a clue as to who kidnapped her, where they kidnapped her, and what they did with her to kidnap her. So, please, very important since I'm not here with you today, that you are very focused, that you show really clear work on your paper. You are going to get 2 sheets of paper. the recording sheet where you will write down all of the problems for the 12 orange cards with your steps. So everything that I have written right here should be written on your station paper. Then you're going to have a teeny tiny little slip where you're able to eliminate who and where and how she was kidnapped. So you're going to keep up with both of those sheets as you move around the room. You are going to write your name on both of those sheets. You will staple them and turn them in to the substitute so that I can look at them and grade from them. That's right. I might give you a classwork grade for this. So she is going to let you know who you will be grouped with and which clue you're going to start at. For instance, if you're starting at clue 4, which is up on the front board, you will start in box 4 where it says clue number 4. So be real careful to show your work in the right box. Thanks, guys. Y'all be good.